Hello guys, today I'm going to explain you about the neural style transfer. You can see here, this is an style transfer output image, and in this case I have used input image of one of my favorite Indian actress, Jain Khan, and an style image, something like that you can download from internet. So what neural style transfer do, it basically map the style over the original image, and once you will at the end of this video you will got to know and learn that how you would be capable of doing style transfer over the image and get an output something like that. I hope you guys remember an app. There was a very famous app. That app was really get famous. The app name was Pixar something. So the app initially used the style transfer, and there later on Facebook also introduced the style transfer for limited period in their functionality. So today you will learn how you would be also capable to draw or create an image like Picasso. Okay guys. So prior to explain you about the code, I would like to explain about the style transfer first, and this time I am going to use Wikipedia as a source. So here I have already opened my style Wikipedia for neural style transfer. So you guys can also learn about the style transfer through Wikipedia. So what Wikipedia says, the NST neural style transfer refer to a class of software algorithms that manipulate digital images or video to adopt the appearance of visual style of another image. Okay guys, that means basically what Wikipedia is saying, you have some original image and you have some style, and you want to map and that style over the original image. Okay, this process is known to be neural style transfer. Okay, and after, let's get back to the code and I will show you the execution. Let me download some fresh images from internet so that you will understand how things goes like that. So for style, I should type Picasso images. So I get a Picasso style image, something style. Let me type style also. So this is something good. Okay, guys, take this image as a reference image, a style image, and so I name this video style and save it to the desktop. And let's grab some original image. So HD famous model images. So here, I don't know the name of these girls, but let's go with this image first. Oh, Drew Barrymore. This is one of my favorite actors. So let's download Drew Barrymore, and I name this image as original image. I'm saving it into JPG format, not JPG. Okay. So now let's see what I'm having in desktop. So one is original image. Let's move to the code, the content image, and where is my style? Oh yeah, here it is, and this is style image. Okay, guys, it in this code it takes 620 seconds to get execute in normal 1080 GTX GPU. Okay, so I highly recommend you to use GPU or Google Colab for the execution of the code. You want to run this code on normal CPU, it takes around 60 minutes to get an output. I'm using GPU here. So meanwhile, while running the code, I will give you the overview how the execution will go like that. Okay. So let's import some basic library, TensorFlow, Python. Let's clear the session first from the backend. This is content image. This is style image. Okay, let's load those images and see what do we have now. We have original image of my favorite actress Drew Barrymore and one style image I have just downloaded from the internet. Okay, now for transferring the style, I'm using already pre-trained model of ImageNet VGG19. Okay, let's first check how many layers of VGG19s we have. Okay guys, we have in block 1, block convolutional 2, then pool convolutional 1. So we are going to use few of these layers for the style transfer, and for the content layer we are using block 5 convolutional 2, this layer. And for the style layer, what generally people use block 1 to block 5 of convolutional 1 layer. Okay guys, so each convolutional 1 up to the block 5. Okay, now we let's import those style layer and original layer. Okay, now it's time to load model and see the extracted input style layer and what contain in it. So this is the output of convolutional layer. 5 image shape will be 512, 355, and the total number of filter is 64. Then it reduced to half of the size on the second layer, block 2, and number of filter will increase 128. Then it keeps going something like that, and up to the convolutional 5 it gets shrink up to 32 and 22, and number of filters will be 512. Okay, for reducing the effect of high contrast, everything is being coined in the research article. We use gram matrix. Okay, and this is our main function. The superclass is style content model, and and every property of this style content model will be stored in extractor. Whenever we call this class, call the extractor at the time of execution, it generate an output. And let's move to the target part. It basically, in style neural transfer, the content target and style target first initially must be defined very clearly, that it should achieve minimum loss corresponding to those target. Okay guys, and for optimizer, you can use any optimization. Here I'm using Adam as an optimizer. You can get this source code from TensorFlow original blog post, and the style content loss will be used for the evaluating the ratio of evaluating the sum of loss between the style target and the content target. Okay guys, so let's start, and here how we call the training function in TensorFlow true tf at the rate tf function. Then train step, first we initialize, instead of session we initialize gradient tape. Then image will be fed to the extractor. Whenever we fed image whenever we call the extractor, it's call up the function and generate a matrix which contain a dictionary format of content and style. Okay, those content and style fed to the style content loss and evaluated the loss. The loss will be further normalized with the help of total variation weight, which is being defined here, and will be processed with the help of high pass filter to reduce the peak of contrast. Okay, then training process will goes on and goes on unless we get optimum output. So let's move quick and see what output we will get. So as usual, Drew Barrymore even after a style transfer looking awesome. So guys, this is the final output, and just like you, this is the original image, the style image, and the style is being mapped on the original image, and here the beautiful Drew Barrymore looking awesome again. So guys, this is all about this session, and today you learn about neural style transfer. I've given the contact number at the title of video. If you guys have any query, just WhatsApp me. Also the email ID and other information I have given in the description section. Guys, we provide all type of services like AI, program building. If you want, if you belongs from a startup or you want to have any idea of your startup, then you can come to us. We will build your program, algorithm, product. We guide the people. We have some dedicated classroom sessions for one-to-one data scientists. Okay. If you want to learn more about AI, just WhatsApp me and get our services. We guys situated in India. Our company name is Research Infinite Solutions LLP, and also our price is very much reasonable as compared to the other competitive market, and our quality of service is awesome. Okay guys, so this is all about style transfer, and today I'm done here. In the next session I will give you an overview of pixel to pixel mapping, and then on the subsequent section you will learn to about how we can adapt style transfer and pixel to pixel mapping, make an amalgam and build another product, a POC concept for the user. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.